Good morning everyone and welcome back to our farm here again today. I didn't think I'd be doing a video today because it's our little girl's birthday and she's 6 today. So we're having a little party in a bouncy castle and all the usual kids stuff. So that's what we were looking to do this weekend, is just have family time. But as always, life always goes on, and we've orders in now from England wanting snails to go out, so we've been gathering snails and we're just getting ready now to package them and to get them ready for sending off. So we'll just show you now what we're up to here today. So it mightn't be a long video, but it's just a little bit to show you what we're doing and what we're up to. So thanks for watching. So we have already picked these snails now from out in the field. We've got a bucket load now there. So all we do now is go through them, hand pick them, make sure that they're top quality, and then start bagging them. And we get them into these now. We have these done already now. So that's just what we're doing now at the minute here. Now, so when we harvest these out in the field and bring them in, we always take in the big ones. So anything that's big, we'll go and collect it, bring it in here. So it's only when it's in here then that we go through them individually and one by one. So we'll still have snails that we've brought in that aren't fully A grade, because all we ever send to restaurants are top of the range A grade. Nothing else, just that. So we'll still have ones brought in that aren't up to that mark. So we'll separate them in here now, and then we'll put them back out in the field, let them eat away and continue on and get bigger. And then all the A grade ones here will be going directly straight to England. So I'll just show you what I mean now by not A grade and then A grade. So A grade will always be these ones here. So these ones here, full hard lip, fantastic white rim going around, calcium rim going around. They're full size, full snail. They're top of the range Irish escargot, the one that everyone wants. So they're ready to go, and we'll just go now, see can we find one now here that's fully not ready yet. Now, the likes of this one now here. Full size snail, big snail, full bodied, no lip at the end. So he won't have the white calcium ring going around here. So if you just go look at the difference of the two, you'll go to the one with the white rim everywhere around, and then the one here with no big white rim. So the big white rim is the one we're looking for. They go. And these ones here that just aren't there yet, we'll put these back out in the field and just let them continue on their own little merry way. So they're the differences that we're looking for now here at the minute. So one by one, we'll sort all these snails out. It is a long process, but it's just done one by one, hand by hand. It's all human work, and at least by doing it that way, we know the quality that we're sending from our farm here, and we know there'll never be anything wrong with them. So let's start going through them. Now, so out of all them snails that came in the bucket, these are the only few of that whole bucket that weren't ready to go. So we just have these ones now here that aren't ready. We have a full bag now here, all ready to go, top of the range, and these are the ones. So I'll explain a few reasons why these ones here didn't make the grade. So pick up this one. She has no white lip. Big snail, just yet doesn't have the full lip that we're looking for. So she'll go back out onto the field. Now these ones back here are different. These ones have a perfect formed white lip all the way around, but there isn't enough in the snail here inside itself. So we need this snail to go out in the field and just eat that bit more. So fully ready to go, the snail itself just isn't big enough herself, so she'll go back out onto the field. And it's the exact same with this one here. Perfect white rim, just not big enough herself, so just put her back out. So we've just different varieties of why they didn't go and why some snails stayed behind. So this one here is just too small. She needs to grow a lot more, so she shouldn't have come in by right, but she's going back out. So again, big ones now here, just forming the lip. It's still not fully there at all. She's just forming that lip around. And this one now here, again, another big snail, just has a broken shell cracked here. So everything else is coming along nicely. It's just this bit here at the corner is broken. So again, she's not perfect. So these ones now here, we'll go back out to the field and we'll start getting these ones now here ready for hitting the road and getting out of here. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. That's the only way you'll be able to keep up to date on everything that we do here on our farm, and we try to show as much as possible. So that's the only way you'll be able to see it. As it's, I know we're always a few weeks late with videos, but you'll always get to see what we're doing and how we're doing it. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, so the snails that weren't ready to go this time, we're just going to move them now out into the field and put them back out in. So that's just what we'll do now here at the minute, and then that way we'll be able to check everything that's out there and have a walk around and have a look and see that everything is okay out there. Now, so we can go and release these boys now here. Now, so it's just starting to rain now here. First shower we've had in quite a few days. So once this gets a tiny bit wet and damp now, you'll see all the snails start to wake up and come back out. And that's the fun time to be around in a snail farm. So they're all under boards now at the minute, all sleeping. So they're just waiting now for this drop of rain to come, and all these boards here now are all full of snails on the back of every one of them. So they're just waiting on that bit of rain now to come, and once that bit of rain comes in, they're all going to be out, about, eating and moving. So that's our favourite time on the snail farm, when they're all out and moving. We're always waiting for that to happen, but in Ireland we're lucky because it always rains, and by always raining means snails are always out. Now, so everything seemed okay out there. There's nothing out, nothing broke, nothing wrong. So they're all okay now. We'll give them an hour or so in this rain and we'll see them back out again. sometimes you have to be a child yourself. All right. Now, Wilbur, you get on. It's around your room. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Again!
Yeah? Okay, he'll do it. Come on. Now, Gracie, you can give a push to Daddy. You holding on tight? I think 1, 2, 3! So it's day 2 of collecting snails here today to send out for orders. Yesterday we had a fun day with the party in Bouncy Castle and lovely day. Weather wasn't too bad. I don't know if you can hear today the difference in the weather. Can you hear that wind howling outside? We're in the middle of a storm, and that storm has high winds and very heavy rain. So that's what we've been working with today now. So there's a bit of a difference from yesterday, but anyway, we'll get up and get on with it. So we've all the snails now here collected that we need for all these orders. So I'll just show you now here, even behind me, you can see the trays ready to go. So it's just about getting the last few now ready, get them bagged up, and then after that we can just get them onto a pallet, have them ready here for tomorrow morning, and come tomorrow morning they'll be on the way out of here. So that's what today has been all about in that weather. So we've got soaked to the bone, but that's the joys of farming, hey? Now, so a job I quite like the most, and that is getting these onto that pallet. So let's go. Now, so all that's done now there, in super quick time I think. So that's all packed out. All we should now is just tie it up, secure it to the pallet, and it'll be ready now here for a truck tomorrow. So that'll be another job done in sending this orders out to England. So happy we got the work done in horrendous weather. Yep, we are. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon, guys.